Yeah, awuntshele wena Mr. Ramaphosa uthi amashangana ahambi awusawafuni from Monday. Wabona namhlanje 14 February Valentine Days. Awubheki amakwerekwere wonke la ama-passport wonke la enza imisebenzi lo uzofika ungena khona wena uthi ha umuzi wami i-ofisi yami i-department yami njani back kwerekwere kuphela lela ama-passport kuphela awubheki abekho lokuma-Valentine babhisi ngakwenza imali basebenza awubheki mara wena uthi ha mandeni kemele kahle amaphoyisa ama-contractor njani kuphi ngakuphi just tell me ukuthi ngakuphi baza kuphi ibani uzoyaka izinto senjiko ubani uzokushela amabloko wena Ramaphosa ubani uzokenzela imisebenzi uzobekela izindlo la kanje abantu bakubabhisi bahleli endlini bathi ngama-Valentine banganamali futhi bangakwazi ukuthenga nesiluka bangakwazi ukuthenga nento enansi for abafazi bayo ama-Valentine izobona usuku thina manje mase sifike endlini
baphelele umsebenzi bajike baboshwa abantu more than 50 ngenxa yokuphapha komuntu oyedwa. Ngenxa yokuphapha komuntu oyedwa baboshwa abantu baphelelwa nomsebenzi more than 50. Le ndoda ithatha ikhamera ibhekisa ngakuyo iqhoshela uhulumeni wase-South Africa ukuthi umhla ka-14 February bona bayasebenza abanaso isikhathi se-Valentine. Uthi yabona la njengoba usibona singamakwerekwere sonke la and siyasebenza mawuthi asihambe ubani ozokwenzela yonke leyo nto. Ividiyo yavele yasisabalala yathi bagaxela ngenxa yomuntu oyi-1 ophaphayo abantu baphelelwe umsebenzi. Yekani ukuphapha manibhekisa amakhamera ngakini. Yes.
Finally uRamaphosa uyivile ipain yokugezelwa i-foreigner ezweni lakhe eyipresident ngoku because besithi xa sithi thina sitayageza ama-foreigner abengathi thina singavelwa ntweni ngoku lo mfana ugezela upresident wamxeba ngabezweni yena ba-illegal bayasebenza so siyabonga mani ba akhayivula uRamaphosa.
The Department of Employment and Labor and the SAPS have raided a construction site and arrested 50 illegal immigrants. And yeah, this needs to happen because these jobs could have went to South Africans, right? And the number one demographic or the number one country that dominates in South Africa when it comes to construction is Mozambicans. Every time you see a building, even a Kasi, when people are building, it's usually Mozambicans that are dominating that industry. And another thing as well is that as South Africans, we need to dominate a certain industry. I'll go back to the Mozambicans, but let's talk about this because there's no industry as Black South Africans that we dominate. Are we dominating the spaza shops? No, they were taken by Somalis and Pakistanis. Are we dominating the fast food industry, Amakota? No, that's slowly being taken by who? Again, the Mozambicans, because they are working in those departments. As Black South Africans, what are we dominating in? Because all of us, most of us want really shiny jobs at the office. In call center, yeah, South Africans are dominating, but still that industry, we are not controlling it, right? So yeah, going back to the Mozambican laborers. So the good thing, the nice thing that I can forgive about Mozambicans is that most of them are documented and most of them are Mashangane, right? Which is making them partly South African, right? It's like Sutus, Tswanas, Mozambicans. These people speak South African languages. So kinda can forgive Nyana, but the illegal part, obviously, we cannot forgive. If they are legal, they need to be arrested.
This side.
So this operation needs to continue happening. We cannot have illegal immigrants taking South African jobs. Jobs are scarce nowadays. Have you noticed? Have you tried to apply for a normal job in G? Like, you can never really get employment. So these little jobs where illegal immigrants are dominating need to be taken back to South Africans. So that, yeah, man, the Department of Employment and Labor, the SAPS need to continue these operations rigorously, not just like random on a random Friday. They need to continue doing this each and every day. You'll see them cleaning out all the illegals in the employment sector.
Yeah, sokugcwele ngapha. Yeah. Lethe uzolimazana ngapha.
Ngumshayi. Ungazilimaza njani?
Bekunjani manje uzilimazile?
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Yabona mangibona le video yalobhutele leseculator kulapha etinkoleni tokuxhumana asend hash message to Cyril Ramaphosa ngivele ngasho ukuthi good wena bhuti good. Finally to understand uRamaphosa ukuthi mabathi bantu abawafuni ma foreigners why basho njalo. So it ended in tears for lo bhuti, actually for bonke abantu labasebenza nalo bhuti, because lo bhuti went the video lebe viral lapha enkundleni tokuxhumana telling uRamaphosa ukuthi ku-Valentine Day 14 bona bayasebenza and bonke labantu labasebenza laphana bantu bokuqhamuka kesana. So bragging nje kuRamaphosa ukuthi uma bahambisa bona ma foreigners kuyosebenza bobani. Ayike tivele dakhala babaqosha bonke baphelula umsebenzi just because of one person. Ubona ukuthi umuntu loyi-one kwenda kwakhe nje into okuphambana kuyabamoshela abantu labaningi, because lalabanye abakasho lutho but sebagaxele because of their colleague. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you in the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.